Hello everyone, welcome to Ieee Expert. Today we are going to see one of the important project in medical society. The project named as Alzheimer disease detection using deep learning. This is the project which you are going to discuss today. This is a completely deep learning project, one of the important research topic. First of all, we have come to know that what is the meaning of Alzheimer disease. Alzheimer disease is one of the neurodegenerative disorder. Okay, what's the meaning of neurodegenerative disorder means? This disease will completely destroy your brain function. It will collapse your memory function. It will collapse your daily to daily activities. Okay, you should completely depend on someone for your regular daily activities also. That is the major drawback of this disease. Okay, what it will do means it will completely destroy your nervous system. Okay, so that if this disease comes means you could not able to remember anything. Okay, you should not able to walk with yourself. Okay, alone. You should carry someone always with you. First of all, we come to know that what is the issues in finding this Alzheimer disease. This Alzheimer disease prediction involves huge machinery. You should apply huge machinery to capture your brain function. Also, it will take longer process. Okay, it will take 10 days, 15 days to analyze those images, MRI brain images, to predict what are the stages of your disease, whether you're having Alzheimer disease or not. Okay, so this is a completely difficult process. So that we come to know that this is a completely difficult one. Can we able to do anything for this project? So that we have completely come up with the innovative idea of deep learning. In this project, we are going to apply CNN based Mobilenet algorithm for implementing this Alzheimer disease prediction. So what our project will do means, our project completely based on a web application based on Python. In our project, just upload your MRI brain data. That's it. It will extract the important feature belongs to the Alzheimer disease. Based on the important features, it will analyze and let you know. Okay, you are having stage 1 disease, you are having stage 2 disease, you are having stage 3 disease, you are not having any disease. It will give the result instantaneously. It will take just fraction of seconds to discover your results. Getting doubt whether it's accurate or not. This project produces 97% accuracy, which is high when compared to current base paper standard. Okay, let me connect with this video. We do provide complete more explanations about this project. Thank you. Let me explain the project presentation as well as base paper of the project. So this is the base paper which you are going to consider. Okay, so this is the base paper which you are going to consider. This base paper published on Ieee 2023. 24, sorry, I mean it's a 2024 base paper. You can see Ieee 2024, which is completely a recent base paper. Okay, they have taken MRI image as an input. Based on that MRI image, they have to classify whether that image contains Alzheimer disease or not. That's what they are going to do. They are applied deep learning algorithm here. Inside the deep learning algorithm, they have used ResNet model. Okay, ResNet model as their proposed algorithm. Okay, so this project uses, this base paper uses ResNet algorithm, which is existing for our proposed system. Okay, so we are not going to use ResNet model here. In our proposed system, we are going to modify into different algorithm. Okay, for better accuracy. So the existing system means you have to mention ResNet algorithm. The proposed system means we are going to use Mobilenet model, CNN based Mobilenet model. That's what we are going to do. Okay, so the major drawback of the ResNet model was ResNet produces very low accuracy. It produces around 85% accuracy, which is very low. Okay, so this is the Alzheimer process. Okay, you can see the complete brain here. The Alzheimer developed this irregular structure, which is lead to the huge death causing disease. Okay, we are going to predict that only in a earlier stage itself. Okay, stage 1 itself we are going to predict that. Okay, by that by help of that prediction we can avoid the stage 2, 3. Okay, so that we can overcome from that disease. That's what we are going to do. So this is the sample image. You can see moderately demented. Okay, demented. This is the sample image they have produced as the MRI image. You can see the classification architecture they have used. They have taken MRI image as an input. They apply some pre-process algorithm. Then moving to the ResNet algorithm. From the ResNet algorithm, they are going to classify the result. but the result they are producing was very low. They are producing around 85% accuracy, which is very much low. Okay, they have produced some confusion matrix and everything here, which is very low. 85% was very low accuracy when compared to our standard. So directly we are moving for the proposed system. In proposed system, we are going to get 97% accurate result, which is very much higher compared to the existing system. So I can explain the proposed system PPT here. This is our proposed system PPT. Let me explain these things. Proposed system PPT. So this is our title: early detection of Alzheimer disease using Mobilenet algorithm. This is a completely deep learning based approach. Okay, this is our title: early detection of Alzheimer disease using Mobilenet algorithm. So this is our abstract. In abstract, we are given that Alzheimer disease was one of the very progressive neurodegenerative disorder. What's the meaning of progressive neurodegenerative disorder? Means it will move on to the stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 like that. Finally, it will lead to the death. Okay, that's what it will do. So significantly, it will start with the memory loss and cognitive function disorder, as well as the huge impact on another person. It will start with a very mild symptoms, but it will progress into death in stage 3 itself. That's why we are going to predict this Alzheimer disease as early as possible. Okay, so the early detection will lead to the early detection as well as the timely intervention will save the person from the loss. That's what we are going to do. So for that earlier prediction only, we are going to use Mobilenet algorithm. Here in this project, you can use MR image as well as CT image. Okay, computer tomography. You can use MRA as well as CT. That is the major advantage from the existing system. Okay, you can use MRA as well as CT, both the algorithms here. This project uses pre-processing as well as feature extraction, then training, testing. It will use all these steps. So the major goal of the project was, we are considering 3 major objectives. First object was the algorithm should be an efficient predictive model, so that we are using 97% accuracy, as well as enhance the earlier diagnosis. You can predict the Alzheimer disease in mild stage, a very mild stage itself. Okay, not only moving for the mild stage, in earlier very mild stage itself you can predict. Then ensure high performance. Not only accuracy, the specificity as well as sensitivity was also higher when compared to existing system. This Mobilenet algorithm can able to run on the low spec system itself. Okay, which is very much useful for the larger number of objectives. The introduction given that the chronic neurodegenerative disorder that primarily affect your memory function as well as cognitive function, then your behavior. Ultimately, it interfering with your daily life activities. Okay, which is very much most common thing. Okay, so we have to predict this Alzheimer disease as earlier as possible. That's what main motto of this project. In this project, we are going to apply artificial intelligence based algorithm with the help of deep learning approach. Okay, to detect the predict the Alzheimer's disease. The existing system. So let me see what is the existing system. In existing system, we are going to use. They have used ResNet model. ResNet model produces 85% accuracy, which is very much low. To overcome this ResNet model only, we are going for the proposed system. Let me see in the proposed system. The proposed system produces 97% accuracy. Okay, you can see proposed system produces 97% accuracy. You can see in an advantage. Okay, so that is a major advantage compared to the existing system. Let me see the existing system drawback. The existing system drawback: ResNet uses high computational model. You need high spec system for running this project. Model size: ResNet model produces huge number of pre-trained data set, which also consume memory. So interpretability: you can't use this model in all the algorithm. That's the major drawback. The ResNet model was a complex algorithm. That is the another drawback. So let me move on to the proposed system. In the proposed system, we are going to predict the Alzheimer disease with Mobilenet model based on the CNN, convolutional neural network, which is a very resource constrained algorithm. Resource constrained means you can run this project on low end system itself, as well as this system uses MRI as an input as well as CT scan as an input. You can use both the scan, not only a single scan. You can use both the scan. That is the major another advantage. So let me move on to the proposed system. For this project, we are using MCI Alzheimer disease dataset, which is contain normal, mild, moderate. These are the stages involved in the Alzheimer disease progress. Okay, this Mobilenet model produces high accuracy precision recall value as well as the F1 score. This is a real-time world project. You can check with your own MRI, own CT scan also. It will work perfectly. This is the architecture of the project. To explain the architecture, I can move with the Alzheimer disease detection pipeline. First step, you have to collect various data. Then you should do pre-processing. What the meaning of pre-process means? You have to convert that image into common structure. That means common height and weight. Okay, all the images should having same height and weight width. Okay, then moving to the data augmentation means if you don't have enough image to train means you have to make the data augmentation. What you have to do in the data augmentation means you have to convert single image into multiple image. For example, you have to take one image, apply the rotation function, it will convert into 2 images. Then you have to perform zoom function, it will convert into 3 images. Like that, you have to perform augmentation function to convert single image into multiple image for data size enhancement. Okay. Then directly we are going for the Mobilenet model based on CNN, which contains feature extraction as well as training, both the things. It will extract the common features from the data set. If you are going for the mild stages means there are 1000 images there means it will extract the common features from the 1000 images. Okay, belongs to mild stage. Then going for the training. Okay, training step. In training step, what it will do means it will store all the features. Okay, mild means this is the common features I need. Very mild means this is the common features those images having. It will store all the data as a pre-trained data. Then validation means it will produce how much data have been trained, how much data have been lost while training. It will produce 97% accuracy we got while training, 3% loss while training. It will produce this as the graphs. Okay. Then these graphs will be shown for our analysis purpose. Then we have to make the Flask based application. It's a complete web based application. Directly you can log in and enter your data. You can check whether you are having Alzheimer disease stage 1, stage 2 or you are not having any stages like that. You can check all that stuff. So this is the architecture of the project. Additionally, we are given that sequence diagram, class diagram, use case diagram. Then you can find the activity diagram. You can get all this diagram while buying this project. Moving to the advantages of this project, this Mobilenet algorithm is a lightweight algorithm as well as efficient algorithm. As I mentioned earlier, this Mobilenet algorithm can be run on the low spec system itself. It produces low latency. That means the result can be obtained immediately, fraction of a second. Okay, after uploading the image. It's a transfer learning model. You can fine tune this algorithm for variety of data, variety of diseases. That is the one more advantages of this Mobilenet model. So these are the modules, steps involved in this project. First step belongs to data collection, then Mobilenet development for feature extraction, then testing and deployment. This part already explained on the architecture itself. Okay. The important point is here we are using MCI Alzheimer disease dataset. Harder part, you need minimum i3 processor system, hard disk space 20 GB is enough to run the project, and 4 GB of RAM you need to execute this project. Software requirement, we need Python Anaconda Navigator. The language we have used Python, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. This is the Flask based web application project, can be run on Windows as well as Mac. Conclusion part, we are given that using this Mobilenet based lightweight algorithm, we have achieved higher accuracy when compared to the base paper, as well as this is a completely user friendly project. It can be run on low spec system itself. This is a completely deep learning based AI power system, okay, which is very much helpful for the clinical application. So this is the reference for this project. Please connect with this video. Here now we are going for the demo of the project. Okay, thank you. Let me explain the project demo. This is the project code. Okay, here you can see the data set. This is the data set we are going to use. Mild demented. So this is the sample images. Moderately demented. This is the images. Then non-demented. This is the images. As per your thought, each images look like exact same, but this algorithm will efficiently differentiate the each image based on the features present in the each images. Okay, that is the advantage of this project. So this is the training code we are going to use. This is the training code. This is the pre-trained library files. So this is the testing code. This is the main code which will combine all these files. Okay, this is the main code. So everything implement on Python only. So we have to use this code as the main code. Okay, to run this main code, what we have to do means we have to this is the test images. Example, I taken some 8 images to classify. So to run the main code, what you have to do means you have to copy the project location, then open Anaconda Navigator. Here you have to click the terminal from the project environment. So once it opens, means use cd space paste the project location, then enter, then type python space app.py. So this is the main file code. Type python space app.py, then enter. Once entered means it will run the code. There is any error means it will show the error, or else it will build the localhost to run the project. So this is our localhost. Just copy the localhost address. So this is the localhost. Copy the localhost address, then paste it on the browser. Okay, so I'm just pasting on the browser. You can see. So this is our project home page. Okay, here you can see earlier detection of Alzheimer disease is the key to the happier life. So accuracy around 98%. We are considered 2000 plus data as an input. For that we have used 2000 plus patient to get the data. Okay, you can see the models involved was, the first step was dataset collection, then model training, then we are going for the prediction stage. So these are the stages involved in the project. Okay, so then moving for the mission means the major advantage of project was it's a cutting edge technology. So it's commit to the excellence. It will provide the reliable results. Okay, this is the home page. So here 4 stages are there: non-demented, very mild demented, then moderately demented. These are the 4 stages involved in the project. Then footer viewer. Okay, so there is about us page. Here is given about the project details. Then model means what is the steps involved in the project. Okay, here you can see the complete steps of the project. Okay, what are the important steps involved in this project. Then if you are going for the accuracy means you can check the accuracy and that. Later I come to the accuracy. Before that I'm going to prediction page. To go for the prediction you should click login. Just click login. Once login come means use admin as a username password. Admin as a username password. Click admin. So once you click in means this will show login success. Then click OK. It will move to the prediction page. Okay, so wait for the prediction page to load. So this is our prediction page. You can choose the scan image and detect whether the disease is image having disease or not. Just choose scan image, go to the project folder. In the project folder Alzheimer disease, inside the Alzheimer disease going for the test images. Okay, here random images I'm having. I don't know what is the disease at all. Just choosing the random images, it will show the uploaded image here. Just click analysis disease. Now it will perform the analysis. Wait for the result to obtain. So the result came here. So the image which you uploaded was moderate demented. So moderate dementia refer to the middle stage of cognitive decline. Typically it's seen in condition like Alzheimer disease. In this stage, individual experience significant memory loss as well as difficulties in performing everyday tasks, but still they can able to engage their some level of independent from others. The major symptoms was memory problem, cognitive challenges, behavioral challenges, then challenges for the daily activities, increased dependence. That means you should depend with someone always at this stage. So this is the result for that image. Let me choose the different image for the different results. So I am uploading this image now. Let me check the results. So now the results got mild demented. So you upload mild demented image. which also refer to the mild dementia due to the Alzheimer disease. It's an earlier stage of dementia where the individuals begin to experience noticeable symptoms that will affect their daily lives. Okay, this stage is crucial, as well as it will progress into higher stages. Okay, the major symptoms was memory problem, cognitive challenges, language and communication challenges, mood behavior challenges, loss of orientation. These are the major symptoms relevant with this stage. Let me choose another image. Random images, analysis disease. So very mild dementia. Okay, very mild dementia stage is earlier phase of Alzheimer disease and is often considered as a mild cognitive impairment. The major symptoms was memory problem, cognitive challenges, behavior challenges, and it will impact on daily day-to-day life activities. Let me choose another image. So non-demented. So non-demented refer to the individual who do not significant cognitive decline or as well as memory impairment. Okay, they are normal people. Okay, let me check the accuracy and all. To check the accuracy at all, just click accuracy. So you can check the accuracy here. So first I will show the accuracy. This project we got around 98% training accuracy, 97% training accuracy. Then moving for the confusion matrix. This is the confusion matrix involved with our project. Then how much number of images we are taken at the each stage. Mild dementia, how many images? In moderate dementia, how many images? Non-dementia, how many images? Then very mild dementia, how many images we are taken? Okay. Then disease, how many percentage of person having disease? How many percentage of person having no disease? So this is the overall results of the project. Okay. To get this project, just contact our ieeeexpert.com. We do provide this project at best price. Okay. Also, do check our website. There we have displayed variety of projects. Okay. You can get variety of projects from our list. Here you can go to IEEE projects and Python project list. There is plenty of project with complete demonstration available. You can check all the projects and you can choose whatever project suitable for you. We do provide those projects for best price. Thank you.